So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to record your own vocals and how to get clean sounding, professional sounding vocals. All right. All I ask is that y'all make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. If this video was helpful, like this and share it. All right. Also, I've been dropping a lot of music like crazy. So if you guys could go stream and support my music, I really appreciate it. And with that being said, let's just jump in today's video. Make sure you guys comment down below if you got any questions. All right. So the first thing I want to talk to y'all about is gain staging your audio interface. Without doing this, I guarantee you, I promise you, you will have horrible vocals. So a lot of people don't know what gain staging is. Gain staging is where your microphone is plugged in, your audio interface. You want to adjust the volume of your audio interface to the point where your vocals are loud, but they're not peaking. They don't sound distorted. So if you're a quiet, melodic, laid back kind of rapper, you want to turn your audio interface volume up. And then if you're more of a loud, shouting type of artist, you want to make sure that audio interface is down. Turn the volume down. You want to make sure that you find that right balance to the point where your vocals, you want your vocals loud as possible without sounding distorted or whatever. Because if you don't do proper gain staging, it don't matter how much EQing, mixing, compression that you do to your vocals, it's still going to sound horrible. Next, I want to talk about the distance between you and the microphone. Now, if you already did proper gain staging and your vocals sound good, it don't matter if you're going to be all on the microphone like this. So you have to find a nice distance between you and the microphone, which is usually about 6, 7 inches. Pause. The goal is to not sound distorted. The goal is not to sound like this. Okay, so I did proper gain staging before I did this video. And even though I did that, you guys hear how I sound right now, just being too close to the microphone. So again, you want to find the right spot for or the right distance between you and the microphone. So that's going to play a big part in how your vocals sound. All right. Now we're going to talk about mixing your vocals. Okay. So a lot of people think you need all of these plugins to get good, clean vocals. And before we go any further, make sure if you guys want to get my vocal preset, it's right here. Make sure you hit the link in the description. Go purchase the vocal preset if you guys don't want to do all of the work and it's just drag and drop and you're going to get some good vocals. But I'm still going to show you guys how to get some good vocals with mixing your vocals. You don't need to have 100 different plugins. I'm going to only give you 5 plugins to use, and those 5 plugins are stock plugins if you're using FL Studio. The 5 vocal presets that I'm going to give you guys is: one, you have to use parametric EQ. The EQing is necessary. I'm gonna say Fruity Compressor. I will say use Sound Goodizer, limiter, and reverb. Now I can't tell you guys how much compression, how much EQing to do. That's based on what sound you're going for. It varies from the microphone you're using to how you have your studio treated far as like soundproofing. So I can't tell you guys how much limiter to use, but those are the 5 plugins that I recommend using, and then you just have to tweak them based on the artist or whatever. All right. So after you did gain staging and you're perfect distance away from the microphone and you got your 5 plugins, now after mixing, the only thing you need to do is level. It's very important to level your vocals. And what I mean is you don't want your vocals shouting over the music and you don't want it to get lost in the music. So you have to find the sweet spot and level your vocals in order to make them sound and sit in the beat. Okay. After you do that, then that's just where mastering come in, which I would do a different video talking about how to master your music. Always make sure you got one of these on your microphone, the wind screen, just to prevent from a lot of air and sharpness going into the microphone or whatever. So do those things. Leave in the comments if this video was helpful. Make sure you guys hit the link in the description if you just want to get my drag and drop vocal preset. It's on the site right now. You can go purchase that. And make sure you guys go stream all of my music. And until next time, we out. Peace.